Hi, I'm Najihah. So we're going to continue our tutorial series with Adobe Illustrator. So if you guys are interested to learn about Adobe Illustrator, don't forget to check out all the videos that we have in this playlist because it is all about Adobe Illustrator. So hope you guys have fun and see you later. Hi guys, we are back with the next episode of Illustrator tutorials on artboards that we have in Illustrator or something that we already created. Okay, let's say you wanted to have a different size for this particular artboard. I can change the size by just pressing enter on my keyboard and it will open the artboard options for me. So in these artboard options, you can change the name of the artboard. You can make it whatever name you want it to be, and you can select the size of the artboard from the presets given by Illustrator, where you can select from here. We have an A4 size, we have a tablet size, we have a letter, we have a different size. You can always select from it. An example, if you wanted to have or to create your own size, you can always change it, the width or the height of the artboards in here. So by default it will be in inch because your document has been created in inch, but you can always changing it using the ruler. Okay, and then you can change the orientation of the artboards. You can have a portrait or you can have a landscape orientations. Alright, example, if I'm okay with this, I'm just gonna click OK, and as you can see now my new artboards, the one that I selected just now, the one I did the adjustment, will follow my adjustments. And then example, if I wanted to delete the artboard, I said I had enough artboards already, I wanted to delete this one and I don't need this one, so I'm just going to make sure that I'm selecting this artboard, which is, you can see it's active because I can see the blue lines and the blue dash over there, and I'm just gonna click this dustbin button, which is delete artboards. So that's one of the way to delete the artboards. Or you can select the artboard, example any artboards that already in your project, and you just click a delete button on your keyboard. That also going to work on how to delete the artboards. So in order to view all the artboards, like example, if you are working with a lot of artboards, if you are working with a lot of projects, in Illustrator CC version 2018, you can have up until 1000 of artboards. So example, I wanted to view the whole artboards in this document, in this project. I'm just gonna go to view and fit all in window. So basically it will fit all of my artboards in one window. And if example I wanted to focus only on one artboard, I'm going to go to this artboard, example artboard 1, and I'm going to go to view, fit artboard in window. So you can see now my window is focusing and fitting only one particular artboard, which is the one that I already active. So basically you can do that. Now I'm doing it in my artboard mode. Example, if I exit and escape my artboard mode, I'm going to press ESC or escape. I can do that. The viewing also can be changed by in my normal mode. Like say example, I'm clicking this artboard, the second artboard. As you can see, I have this, and then I go to view, and then I go to fit artboard in window. So now the view will change to the active artboard, which is the one that I selected just now. So I'm gonna go back to view and fit all in window. And that's it on a little bit of a depth on artboards, how to create the artboards, how to go into the artboard modes, how to delete, how to duplicate it, how to arrange it. So hope to see you guys again in the next episode.